Hello everybody, this is our team. So our task was to develop Google Translate GUI based application. I've already installed Python's latest version and this is a PyCharm ID where we have programmed all our Python codes. So basically our program is divided into two parts, app.py. App.py basically consists of the layout part of our application. Method.py is where actual translation takes place. I'll explain you the code step by step. Firstly, we have installed tkinter module. This is the basic standard GUI library for Python. It helps in easy and faster development of GUI based application. This is the basic geometry of our application with background color as blue, title as Google Translator. Now in second part we have included app name and version name. App name as Google Translator with background color as green and version name as 2.0 with background color as green. This is our app name Google Translator and this is our version 2.0. Now comes the third part. We have included the input frame where text which has to be translated can be written. So this is the input frame where we can write the text. Now in the fourth part, after app name input frame, we have included the translation button with foreground color as red, background color as blue and active background color as green. So this is the button named as Translate. Its foreground color is red and active background color is green. Now in the fifth part we have included the list of all the languages which has to be displayed for input and output as well. We have selected source language as English and destination language as Hindi. So here is the list of all the languages with initial source language as English and initial destination language as Hindi. Now in the last part we have included the output frame where translated text will be shown. This is the output frame. Now comes the method part where actual translation takes place. We have included Google Trans module and we have imported translator and languages from Google Trans module. Firstly, when we run it, it prints the list of all the languages available in Google Trans module. So these are the list of all the languages available with Google Trans module. Now we have included a class called MyTranslator and we have defined a function in it so as to display the list of all the languages for input and output frames. Now we have defined a function called run with initial source language as English and destination language as Hindi. We have called translator from Google Trans module and when all these conditions will come true, try block will be implemented so as to convert text from source to destination language. Else, if the condition fails, same text will be printed. Now I'll run our application. Here initial source language is selected as English and initial destination language is selected as Hindi. So I'll write here, good morning, my name is Nikhil. So is written as शुभ प्रभात, मेरा नाम निखिल है. Now we'll try in Marathi. And I'll write here, hello everybody, how are you? So the text is translated in Marathi. सर्वांना नमस्कार, तू कसा आहेस? Thank you.